Next is the trigonometrical ratios. Trigonometrical ratios. Trigonometrical ratios. What is this trigonometrical ratios? It's a ratio between the lengths of a pair of two sides of a right angle triangle. So it's a ratio of the two sides. Either the two sides may be AB over BC or AB over AC. Maybe it may be BC upon AC. So this is the ratio of the lengths. Lengths means the sides. Sides means AB, BC and AC. AB, BC and AC. इसको हम टर्मिनोलॉजी की फॉर्म में लिखते हैं. That is related to, इसमें जो एक साइड होगी वो आपकी बेस होगी. Second side is perpendicular. Or you know very well about the hypotenuse. That is the side opposite to the angle, opposite to the right angle. So third is hypotenuse. This is a side adjacent to the angle. This is a side opposite to the angle. This is the longest side in a right angled triangle. So ratio between the lengths. Either you can take AB upon BC or BC upon AB. So there, the three sides of a right angled triangle. These three sides AB, BC of right angled triangle gives 6 trigonometrical ratios. तो हमें जो रेशियो मिलेंगे वो कितनी मिलेंगी? That is 6. We will get 6 trigonometrical ratios. इसको हम बोलते हैं T ratios also. Short we will call it T ratios. Right? So 6 T ratios. अब ये 6 रेशियो कौन सी हैं और उनकी रेशियो क्या है? We will see. So first is the sine. So one of the T ratio. It's one of the T ratio. If I talk about this right angle triangle, this is right angle triangle. Angle B is equal to 90 degree, right? If I talk, right, and my angle of reference is C. That is angle theta. So the T ratio, first T ratio, that is sine, for angle theta, that is a ratio between the lengths of perpendicular and hypotenuse. So you have to take the two sides, perpendicular and hypotenuse. So the ratio of perpendicular and the hypotenuse for angle, I am talking about for acute angle, theta. This is my angle of reference theta. For this angle of reference theta, my first T ratio is sine, and it is the ratio between the lengths of the perpendicular and hypotenuse. I will write it sine, and it is defined for which angle? That is theta. So I write in short SIN for the first T ratio, that is sine. In short, it is written as sine, right? Full SIN. In short, we use the first three letters, right? So the sine theta is what? It is what? It is the ratio between the lengths of perpendicular and hypotenuse. So see this angle theta, angle of reference. So the angle of reference for this angle theta, the side opposite, this side opposite is always perpendicular for this angle theta in a right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, right? So for this angle theta, what is the perpendicular? The side opposite to angle theta, that is AB. That is AB. That is what? AB. Or and hypotenuse, you know the hypotenuse is the longest side, that is AC. That is AC. So this is the first T ratio. The length of the perpendicular to the hypotenuse. So I can write short P upon H. P upon H. So for base we write B, and for this P, and for this H. Right. So this is the first T ratio. Right. The ratio between the two lengths. वो length कौन सी है? One is perpendicular and one is hypotenuse. Perpendicular वो लेनी है जो side angle के opposite है. जो side angle के opposite है. Because we are talking about this angle, that is C or theta. If we are talking about angle A, then this BC will become your perpendicular. So एक side perpendicular बनेगी, एक side base बनेगी, right? But the opposite side to the angle is always perpendicular, right? Fine. In right angle triangle. Second is T ratio is cosine. So cosine is again the ratio. It's a ratio between the lengths. Length means the distance. Length of base and hypotenuse. So इसमें जो आपने two sides consider करनी है, जो आपने देखनी है, that is what the two side is. If I write over here cosine, the full name is cosine. We will, in short, we write cos and with the angle which we are talking about, that is angle C or angle theta, just to denote the angle, that is equal to base upon hypotenuse. So base corresponding to angle. This side is perpendicular and this side, the side adjacent to the angle theta. ये तो hypotenuse है, ये base because this is opposite side and rest is BC. So BC will become base. So this BC and hypotenuse you know that is AC. So this is the ratio of the sides of a right angle triangle. So first T ratio is sine, second T ratio is cosine. Right? Now next T ratio is tangent. Next ratio is tangent for angle वही लेंगे हम for our angle, जो reference of angle है हमारा for acute angle. ये 6T ratio के बाद same angle के लिए ही करनी है हमने for angle acute angle theta. It's also angle C. So the third is a ratio. So this is the ratio between the lengths of perpendicular and base. So this tangent, in short, it is written as tan, and the angle of reference is theta. For this angle theta, which side is perpendicular? Opposite side, AB. So this is a ratio between the lengths of perpendicular and base. So first is perpendicular. I will write perpendicular. over base. Perpendicular is side, base is also side. The length of perpendicular is BC. The length of length of perpendicular is AB and length of base is BC, because this angle के लिए opposite side AB and adjacent side is BC. So this is the third T ratio, the trigonometrical ratio. That is the ratio between the lengths of perpendicular and base. Perpendicular and base. Right. Next T ratio is the cosecant. Cosecant, it's again the T ratio. It's again the ratio between the lengths. And what are the lengths for the cosecant? So it's a ratio between hypotenuse and perpendicular right. So this is the T ratio. In short, it is written as cosec. And for which angle we are defining? That is angle theta. That is angle theta, because this is the angle of reference. You can take the one acute angle and calculate the T ratios. You can take the another acute angle and also calculate the T ratios. So cosecant theta then will become the ratio of the hypotenuse to perpendicular. Right. So cosecant theta, hypotenuse, the longest side, that remains same, no problem, AC, upon perpendicular, this angle theta corresponding, the opposite side to this angle is AB. So it's AB. See this ratio, cosecant, it's the reciprocal of sine. It's the reciprocal of sine. Sine क्या था हमारा? That is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Now it will become hypotenuse upon perpendicular. So this is the T ratio number 4. Next T ratio is secant. Secant. So this secant is the ratio between two sides, but that sides are, one is the hypotenuse and second is base. So it's a ratio between the hypotenuse and the base. So hypotenuse and the base. So write secant, first three letters. Here the first five letters in short, first three letters, the secant theta, that is theta for angle, the T ratios, because the relationship between the angles and the sides. So secant theta is secant theta. Now this will become the ratio of the sides. Side is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse, that is the longest side, that's AC, upon base. These two things, base and perpendicular, is important. So for this theta, base perpendicular is AB and base is BC. So BC is the base. BC is the, ये base है, ये perpendicular. For this angle theta, right? This secant theta is the ratio between the hypotenuse and the base. Again, you see, this is the inverse of, or it's a reciprocal of cosecant cosine. It's a reciprocal of cosine. Cosine क्या था हमारा? That is base by hypotenuse. So it is hypotenuse upon base. Again, it's a ratio between the sides. Ratio. This is a ratio. Now last T ratio is that is cotangent. So T ratio. Again, we are taking this T ratio for the angle theta. This all T ratios for angle, for acute angle theta. It's a ratio between the lengths of base and perpendicular right. The ratio between the two sides, और sides कौन सी हैं? That is base and perpendicular, and you very well know which side is perpendicular and which side is base. The opposite side is perpendicular and the adjacent side is base. So in short, it is written as cot. For which angle it is defined? That is angle theta. So this angle theta and the cotangent of the angle theta is what? The ratio between the base and the perpendicular. Base and perpendicular. So the opposite side to this angle is perpendicular, that is AB, and the adjacent side is base. So this base is BC and perpendicular is AB. So again, this T ratio, it is the reciprocal of a ratio that is known as tangent. So ये tangent का reciprocal, right? So these are the 6 T ratios, namely sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, and cotangent, right? So these are the 6 T ratios. These 6 T ratios gives a positive real number and it has no unit इनकी values मिलेंगी. These sides, the sides of the triangles are given and you have to find the 6 T ratios. You have to find the 6 T ratio with respect to your angle. This is the angle respect to acute angle, that is the angle of reference. In short, the 6 T ratios for angle theta for acute angle, that is theta, which is also known as the angle of reference. So the 6 T ratios in short, we write first is sine, the first 3 letters, next is cos, then is tangent, fourth is cosecant, fifth is secant, and sixth is tangent. Right. So this sine is for angle, defined for angle theta. This is also angle theta. This is for angle theta, and this theta. Right. These all are defined for angle theta. So in short, this is this is what sine theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. This is base upon hypotenuse. This is perpendicular upon base. This is hypotenuse upon perpendicular. This is hypotenuse upon base, and this is base upon perpendicular. So for this angle, perpendicular is what? The opposite side. The opposite side is AB. The hypotenuse AC, that is the longest side. Right, that is the longest side. AB, AC. The base for angle theta, the adjacent side, that is BC upon AC. For tangent, perpendicular or base, perpendicular is the opposite side. Opposite side is AB, and base is BC. Now these are the fundamental T ratios. These are the reciprocal of these ratios, right? So cosecant theta cosecant of angle, sine of angle, cosine of angle, tangent of angle, then what? The cosecant of angle is hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Hypotenuse is what? That is AC upon AB. Hypotenuse upon perpendicular. This is hypotenuse upon base. Hypotenuse is AC, base is BC. Right. So this is BC upon AB. This is BC upon AB. Right. So these are the 60 ratios for acute angle theta. Acute angle theta. Now we'll take the same ratios for the acute angle. I will take this angle now. I will indicate this angle as an angle, acute angle, that is angle phi. That is angle phi. So now we will write the T ratios for acute angle phi. For acute angle phi. 6 ratios for angle phi. Right. So now here we are taking angle phi, which is also known as the angle of reference. So for this angle phi, I write over here for angle that is phi. For this angle phi, the side opposite is BC. So BC that is perpendicular for this side is opposite to this angle, and AB for this angle theta is its perpendicular. Now this side will become base for this angle, that is base, and AC no change, it is hypotenuse. Right. Now we will define the T ratios for this phi angle. So phi, this angle phi, sine of angle phi, cosine of angle phi, tangent of angle phi, cosecant of angle phi, secant of angle phi. Now the cotangent of angle phi is sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, and cotangent. Now this is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. This is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So this perpendicular is, now this perpendicular is BC, because the side opposite to this angle. This is very important. And hypotenuse no change, that is AC. Here cosecant is base upon hypotenuse. This base upon hypotenuse is, now base is AB, which is perpendicular in this case. Now in this case is BC. So it's upon AC. It is upon AC. The tangent is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, perpendicular upon base. So this perpendicular upon base is what? Perpendicular is BC and base is AB. Just if you change the angle, if you are taking this angle, the position of sides changed, and hypotenuse remains same. Now the reciprocal relations, cosecant is hypotenuse upon perpendicular, so it will become AC upon BC, Cosecant is what? Hypotenuse upon base, so it will become AC upon AB. Cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent, that is base upon perpendicular, so it will become AB upon BC. So these are the 60 ratios for angle theta and angle phi. See, this 60 ratios for this angle and this 60 ratio for this angle has a positive real number, and it has no units, right? So you use this trigonometry ratios in solving problems in which the one side is given, one angle is given, and you have to find the other sides and the angles of a triangle. You can easily find, right? So you know this trigonometry deals with the sides and the angles, right? So the most important thing is the angle, which is known as the angle of reference. For this angle of reference, one side will become your perpendicular and the other side this become your base. That makes an angle 90 degree, right? So these are the 6 T ratios for angle. So these 6 T ratios express the relation between acute angle and the length of its sides. So this is the relationship between the angle and the length of its sides. It expresses the relation, right? And trigonometry ratios do not vary with the length of the sides of the triangle. कि अगर आप length of the side increase कर दो, if you increase the base or you can increase the perpendicular, but the angle remains same. Right? If I talk about, if I have a triangle, this one, that is angle theta, or I have a triangle right, so these are two triangles. The T ratios for this triangle and for this triangle remain same. That does not vary with the lengths of the sides of the triangle. If the angle remains same, then the value of T ratio remains same, right? तो जो इनकी रेशियो इस ट्रायंगल में आएगी और T ratios जो इस ट्रायंगल में आपको मिलेंगी, दोनों की वैल्यू सेम होगी. But when the angle is same, right? So it do not vary. These ratios do not vary with the lengths of the sides of the triangle. Right? Fine. So based upon this, if one of the T ratio out of 6, if one of the 6 T ratio may say, if one of the T ratios, there's a trigonometric ratio, is known, then the remaining T ratios can be easily obtained. If you have given the sine theta, that is in terms of values, then you can find the other T ratios very easily. You can find the ratios. Firstly, you have to remember this sine theta, perpendicular by hypotenuse, and base upon hypotenuse. In short, you can write this is P by H, B upon H, this is P upon B. So you can write these T ratios for the sine. This is for sine, this is for cos, and this is for tangent. So you can write with the line that is Pandit Bhola Prasad Har Har Bhole. So this ratio is sine, this ratio is cosine, and this ratio is tangent. So the reciprocal of these relations, hypotenuse upon base, that is cosecant, hypotenuse upon base, that is secant, hypotenuse upon perpendicular, that is cosecant, and perpendicular upon base, base upon perpendicular, that is cotangent.